guys, welcome back to Marine Beyond. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the programming code for kids, Scratch. So right here, I actually have my school laptop here. I'll show you later on how to use my Scratch. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a little Santa game that you can make on Scratch that I actually made. So this right here is the beloved world of Scratch. This is what you get when you open up Scratch. So over here you have what your sprite looks like, which are the little like mannequins that I will show you about later. Over here you have the tutorial. So if you need a tutorial on here, like if you can't figure out how to make something work or something fly, you can just hit that and you can watch a tutorial, but I don't, so I'm going to close that out. And right here is where you can find all your things you're going to need to code, which I'm going to show you about. Then you also have your costumes for your sprites. Like this one has like 2 different costumes. And then you'll have your sounds, which you can do that. I won't play it. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to code this cat. So to start off, you can either keep this, or because this is a sprite, which is what they call like the little thingies, I don't know what to call them, but sprites, I don't like that, so I'm just going to X that. So to do a sprite, you can either choose a sprite from the library, just like this, and you can choose one, like say bananas, that's cool. Or you can always upload one, like from here. You have a file, then you can just upload it. See, it's going to load a little bit. Then see, I could pick one, and we'll be. But anyway, we're going to code this little banana right here, okay? And then you can always change that. And then over here, you can change what it looks like. But yeah. So if you wanted to, you could add like a purple stripe to the banana. That'd be cool. But I think what we're really focusing on here is the coding aspect of all of this. So this is a really nice program for middle school kids and older elementary kids who want to start coding, because the coding's not super duper hard. So to start off, to make your program work, you're going to want to go over here to this bar, and you're going to want to go to the events, and in order to make everything work, you're going to need this little thing. When flag clicked, which is that little flag right there, when flag clicked, and then you can do it. So let's say when the flag clicks, I want my banana to move 10 steps. So see, do this, click that, and the banana's gonna move 10 steps. And as you can see, it's not very far because you're gonna need to do it. And then maybe I want it to turn. So you just hit this turn button, and you can edit all of these. So say I want my banana, instead of moving 10 steps, I want it to move 90 steps. I can just X that out and put 90 right there. Or say I want it to turn 30 degrees. I can edit that and put 30 degrees right there. And then when you click this little bar up here, it'll change it. It'll move 90 steps, and then it'll turn 30 degrees. It's kind of cool. Another thing you can do is the looks. So say you want it to say hi, which is one of the commands. You can click this say hello button for 2 seconds, and you can change that. So say I want to make it say that for 1 second. You can edit that like everything else. And then I can come over here, and you can make it say hello. Let me go through all of these. So for the sounds, you can make it say bite until done. So that would be like this. 1 second. Let me turn off the sound, sorry guys. Oh yeah, that's a different sound, but yeah, that's me. And that'll be coming later when I show you my Scratch project that I actually made to show you guys. But you would get the same kind of thing. Anyway, you also go over here in events. You could change a bunch of different stuff. So you could say when the space key pressed, so if your button pressed, then you can make it turn, or you can make it do any of these things. For the control, say you want it to repeat this pattern 10 times. You can drag repeat over here. Take your move, and you can make it repeat 10 different times. And if you paste that on, and you want to make sure that it's all on the same little connected. So if it's not connected, it won't work the best. Then you can also do sensing, which you will see. So let's see if, what do I want to do? Let's do, if touching the color this, no, sorry, that does not work. So that's a prime example. We're going to do that. Set drag mode to draggable. So that just means that if you want to drag it, you can drag it. So you can drag the sprite. It's not on right now, so it's not going to let me do that. Then the operators do a bunch of this stuff. Which actually, this only works if you do it in this. So say I want to do move 10 steps. Instead of that, I can substitute one of those ones in. And I can say, there's a little plus in the middle, 3 plus 4 steps. See that? Just like that. And then for the variables. So I'm going to show you how to make blocks. So you can make a new variable. See, all I did was just come over here and I click make a new variable. Then it comes up to this screen. So let's just say I'm going to call this one flower. Okay, that's easy, simple. And you can either click for this sprite only or for all sprites. I'm just going to click that one. Then hit OK. So if you set flower to 0, see how it's just going to go bananas and then flower 0. Just like that. Or say you wanted it to be like, if you wanted to make a score like the other one, you just hit score. Just like that for this sprite only. And you could of course pick all your sprites. And it will just say set, instead of flower, you're just going to pick score. And I'm going to set my score to 0. Or sorry, 1. So you can see the difference. 1. And then see, it actually pops up right over there, right here, in the corner of the screen. And then you can also make your own blocks. So you can click like make a block. And then, yeah, so if you want to do like, say, I'm going to name it snake. So snake. And then you can just hit OK. And then, oh, okay, let's redo that. Snake. Sorry, I'm still learning as much as you guys. So you can hit snake. Okay. And then define snake. But anyway, you get the point. You can make your own block, okay? So anyway, now, say you wanted a background for this thing. So you just don't want a banana sitting nowhere. So you can just come over here to the backdrops, hit plus backdrop, and the same kind of thing with the banana. No. Okay, you can get up and you can search it. So you can pick anyone you want. I think I'm going to do a neon tunnel, because how funny does that look? It's a banana in a neon tunnel. Okay, does that not look funny? Then you can also code your backdrops, kind of the same way. And then backdrop, I can also edit my backdrop too, if I wanted to, so I'll show you that. So if you want like paint bucket, you can fill that in. If you want it glowing, that's kind of cool. But anyway, so now when I hit this, ready for this? When I hit that, the banana's going to say hello, hello. Get the point, it's just going to keep going around saying hello. Because we put it on repeat for 10 times. And that's the basic gist of Scratch. And you can make it a lot more advanced too. So this is the project that I actually have. I'm going to remove it so you can see that. But see, I have this. And then I can actually move Santa around. And all this is done by the same exact moves that I just showed you guys. And see if I touch one of these guys, it'll change my lives. And yeah, that's how you do it. And you can see you can have way more than one sprite there. See, I have a Santa sprite, I have a reindeer sprite, a reindeer 2 sprite, and a reindeer 3 sprite. And say I coded this beautiful thing, but I don't really want to code it again for a whole nother sprite. All you gotta do is take your sprite, right mouse click on it, and you can hit duplicate, and it's gonna give you another same sprite of the same exact thing. And that's gonna do the same thing as all the other sprites. But all you did was add that. And if you wanted to stop, say, like I have this on a loop for forever. So you just gotta click that little red button right there, and it'll stop everything in motion. And say you wanna save your project. All you gotta do is come over here to the file button, and then you can hit save to your computer. I'll actually save it. So then say I wanna do this one. I can go file, load from your computer, and it should be like one of these ones. Let's see. And then it loads it. So yeah, it's a project that I have up here. This is actually like a different project that I have. But yeah, it's the same idea. Like load from your computer. Say it's that one. See, and then that's actually just a blank slate that I have the same exact project. So that's how we use Sprite. So I'll be right back. I hope you guys enjoyed that video on how to use Scratch, which I stole my laptop actually right in front of me. So if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And don't forget to venture off to the beyond. Bye, guys.